Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of 52 Week Challenge 2020. This time we are going to talk about a very important subject which is called listening skills. Actually, I wanted to make this episode for communication skills, and I already made everything, but you know what? I wanted to emphasize first on listening, because listening is the most important factor in communication skills. You know why I choose this subject? Because in today's world, nobody is listening. Parents are not listening to their children. Students are not listening to their teachers. Spouse is not listening to their spouse. Managers are not listening to their subordinates. And the management is not listening to the staff. Problem is listening. Okay. Guys, before going into the technical details, I want to tell you that the God itself wanted us to listen more than to speak. I'll tell you how. The structure of our face or our body has been made for some reasons. Okay. I want to observe it very carefully that how the God has made the structure. If you will see, there are 2 ears and 1 mouth. So the message is clear. Mouth means to speak and ears to listen. So it means God wants us to listen double than to speak. Okay, so second important thing is that the structure of our mouth is that it always shut down, it always close, but whereas ears are always open. So the message is that you can listen every time, but you should not speak every time. Third important thing is that your mouth is having 3 channels. When you want to speak out, it has to go through 3 channels. What are those 3 channels? Lips, teeth, and the tongue. So there are 3 channels which has to pass through the mouth. But there is no any channel, it is every time open. What is the message? When you are listening, you can listen anything. But when you are talking or speaking, you have to think 3 times at least what to say. Just think about it. If you visited a doctor and doctor listen you very carefully, how easy you feel. Think about it. If you go to your manager or management and they listen to you very carefully, how nice you feel. You feel that your point has been taken well and then it has been replied. Think about if the teachers are listening well. And the same thing, think about how parents are listening. And otherwise as well, think about how you are listening to the management, how you are listening to the doctor, how you are listening to the teachers, and how you are listening to your spouse. It's very important. Now, I want to give you tips of the good listener. But before that, I want to tell you, okay, how would you feel if your friend is basically physically present but mentally absent? He is so impatient that every sentence what you start, he want to complete that sentence. How would you feel that if your friend is basically not giving you full attention? He is not listening to you, just he is hearing you. How would you feel if he is disagreeing to each and everything what you are saying? How would you feel if he is trying to give conclusion before you finish the subject? During this, either you will feel rejected, neglected, or you will feel stupid because he is not really giving you attention. You are completely neglected by him. Now on the other scenario, think about it that your friend is basically giving you full comfort. He is giving you undivided attention and he is basically provoking you to ask more questions, and he is giving you undivided attention and showing the interest in you on your subject. How would you feel? You feel important, you feel better, you feel encouraged, and you feel welcomed. Actually, there are so many external and internal barriers which is stopping you to give a full attention while listening. I don't know what are those, but you have to work on it and try to avoid that. It could be some physical distractions, it could be something prejudging about the people or thought or situation. So try to avoid those all things and try to be a good listener. So I'll give you a few tips how to be a good listener. If you want to behave like a good listener, you should show 100% attention without any distractions. You should maintain eye contact. You should show empathy to the subject. You should be the person who is talking less and encouraging him or her to speak more. You should be the person who is asking relevant questions so that he feels that yes, you are in the subject. You should be the person who should be all the time leaning to himself or herself and showing your non-verbal body language that you are listening. Very important is that you should be the person who is listening between the lines. You should be trying to understand the feelings, not the words. And basically sometimes the non-verbal language is something different by the verbal language. So you should be able to understand that particular point as well. So this is all about the listening. I hope that you understood a lot about how to be a good listener. But guys, I have seen that people are really trying to be smart and be selective in what they want to listen. And they are trying to take that point what is good for them. I'll give you an example. There was a big doctor and he wanted to show a demonstration to all the alcoholists and make them understand that how alcohol is not really good for health. So he took 2 jars, one having water and one having alcohol. In these 2 jars, he put earthworm. And what happened? When he put water in the earthworm, it was swam easily and nicely. But when he put earthworm in the alcohol, it disintegrated immediately. And yes, it was nice demonstration and doctor was happy that my message has been delivered very correctly. But you know what? When he asked one of the guy that what message did you understood? And he was surprised to listen the answer. The answer was given by the guy was that I understood that the alcohol taking is good for health. And when we drink alcohol, all the worms in our stomach will get die. So guys, be not selective listener. Understand what somebody want to give the message. So I'm sure that you guys are listening, and let me tell you that we are also listening to you. Our team is listening to your comments, your messages. Thank you very much for giving us encouragement and love all the time. And let me tell you that we are getting a big subscription base. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, you have to subscribe it now, because we are coming with very exciting and new topics. This is Vinod Tiwari from Abu Dhabi, UAE. See you next Friday, 7 p.m.